Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that can completely change the way you create and display graphics on the web, SVG or Scalable Vector Graphics. So what exactly is SVG? SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics, which is an XML-based markup language designed to describe two-dimensional vector graphics. But why should you care? Well, the magic of SVG lies in its scalability. Imagine this, you have a graph that looks fantastic on a small screen. But what happens when you need to display the same graph on a much larger screen? If you are using a traditional image format like JPG, the quality often takes a nosedive. It can become pixelated, blurry, or just plain bad. But with SVG, your graphics stay crisp and clear, no matter the screen size. This makes SVG a game changer, especially for responsive design. Now, let's get into how SVG works. Think of SVG as a window that lets you peek into a scene. This window has a specific height and width, but the cool part is that the content inside it can extend beyond these boundaries. For instance, if your SVG image shows a river running alongside the mountain, that river could continue beyond the edges of your window. You are not confined by the frames. SVG lets you explore more. But here's where things get interesting and a little bit different from what you are used to. In traditional math, your x-axis increases from left to right and the y increases as you move upwards. SVG flips that y-axis on its head. The x-axis still increases from left to right, but the SVG increases as you move downwards. For example, if you were to sketch out a graph, you see the x-axis values like 0, 30, 50 going up as you move from bottom to top. But in SVG, these values will be inverted. 0 starts at the top and 100 would be at the bottom. But don't worry, there's a simple technique to flip that back into the way you are used to. We will cover this in detail in our upcoming videos, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching everyone. If you found this video helpful and want to master SVG and D3 in React, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. More exciting content is on the way, so stay tuned. Catch you in the next one. Bye for now.